Respected teachers and all my dear friends, I am Prashit Gundevar going to speak about the relation between circulatory and respiratory system. How do respiratory and circulatory system work together? Respiratory and circulatory system work together to circulate the blood throughout the body. Air moves to the lungs through the nose, nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles. Oxygen diffuses to the bloodstream and transported to the left chamber of the heart through the pulmonary veins. The heart pumps the blood to other parts of the body. As the oxygen diffuses to the cell uses oxygen to break down sugar to release energy. As a result, carbon dioxide gases are produced as the waste material in the bloodstream. The carbon dioxide rich blood is delivered to the right portion of the heart, the superior and inferior vein cava. The heart pumps the blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the blood to alveoli and travels out of the body through bronchiole, bronchi, trachea, larynx, pharynx, nasal cavity and nose. These processes continue as we breathe air in and out. As the heart pumps blood without these coordinated functions of the respiratory and circulatory system, humans will surely die. How do the heart and the lungs work together? The heart pumps the blood that transports the inhaled oxygen to every cell of the body. Carbon dioxide is given off in the process and is carried by the blood to the lungs and is released through exhalation. Key concepts. Air first enters your lungs and then into the left part of our heart. It is then driven by our heart into the bloodstream all the way through our body. The heart pumps blood which transports essential nutrients, oxygen and other chemicals to every cell in our body. Once it reaches the cells, oxygen processes the nutrient to release energy. Carbon dioxide is given off during this process. The blood delivers carbon dioxide into the right portion of your heart from which it is pumped to the lungs. Carbon dioxide leaves your body through the lungs when you exhale. Thank you. Respect